In today's Daily Dose of Math, we're looking at dependent versus independent. In probability, sometimes we're given two events and we're being asked if the events are dependent or independent, meaning does the chances of the second event happening depend on what happened during the first event or not? In this example, we have 10 cards. We have the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 of hearts, and we have the same numbers of clubs. These cards are upside down so that the person choosing them is choosing randomly. The first event is that they choose a 2. But then they do not put the card back. They reach into the remaining 9 cards and they pull a second card. And the second event is that they choose another 2. Are these two events dependent or independent? A way of looking at this is to calculate the probability of the events happening. Probability is calculated using favorable over total. We make a fraction with the numerator being the favorable event, meaning the event we're testing the probability of happening, and the total being the total number of events that could have happened. In this case, there are 2 2s and there are 10 cards, so favorable over total is 2 over 10. We can reduce this to 1 over 5, and we have a fraction correct answer for the probability of choosing a 2. Or we can convert it into decimal or percent. All of these values are correct answers for the question, what is the probability of choosing a 2? Now we have to choose another card. We did not put the original 2 back. So again, we're using favorable over total to figure out what is the probability of getting another 2. And it's 1 out of 9 because there is 1 less 2 and there is 1 less card. This gives a decimal of 0.111 that has been rounded and converts into a percentage of 11.1%. The probability of choosing a 2 has changed because we did not put the first 2 back. When that happens, it means the events are dependent. The chances of getting that second 2 depend on whether or not we got a 2 the first time. They also depend on how many cards are left in the pack, which has changed. Both of these are reasons why this is a dependent situation. That is today's Daily Dose of Math. Please like, subscribe, and share.